Okay, well, I got a windshield on it finally. I still cracked it, darn it. And I can't afford another try. That was the second try. Anyway, what do you think there? I'm going to give you a shot of it going down the road and whatnot so you can kind of see the nice hardware there. How nice it came out. And what a pleasure it is to drive. Anyway, we'll give you a shot of how it look going down the road here. I'm just a moving the movement. I'm just trying to pay the rent. 'Cause I ran my employment, write more songs for this movement. Yeah, I'm just a movement. Yeah, I'm just a movement, expressing my discontentment with the war establishment, telling them to just get bent, write more songs for this movement. I'm just a movement. Woo! And when the forces are gathered for the battle, and the silence before the storm is in the wind, that's when they soothe your soul, saying I'm a good guy, and the evil doer must die. Next thing you know, you're grappling with the bad guy in the struggle, who will live, who will die. The moment of truth comes when you look in his eyes. There ain't no lie, there ain't no lie. He's saying I am the good guy, and the evil doer must die. Now I'm just moving the movement, I'm just pounding the pavement, I'm just trying to pay the rent, 'cause I ran out of my employment, writing more songs for this movement. Yeah, I'm just moving the movement. Woo! Let's do one more time. And when the forces are gathered for the battle, and the silence before the storm is in the air, that's when they soothe your soul, saying I am the good guy, and the evil doer must die. Next thing you know, you're grappling with the bad guy in the struggle, who will live, who will die. The moment of truth comes when you look in his eye, and there ain't no lie, oh there ain't no lie. They say I am the good guy, and the evil doer must die. What's up with that? I'm just a movement, expressing my discontentment with the war establishment, telling them to get bent, write more songs for this movement. I'm just a movement. Yeah, I'm just a movement. Very dusk, moving the movement. There's hardly any sunshine, and I didn't have to have them up, and they're not getting any direct sunshine where they're at. Measure the output here.
still got 60 volts. That's consistent with what I got the other night with all the cells down. So 60 volts production even in dusk, no direct sunlight, tells me this is going to work extremely well. Because that 60 volts should charge 48 volts with a little oomph. And that's it'll be putting out closer to probably 100 volts on the sun when direct sunlight's on it. So the Solo's ready to go, getting closer. Hope springs eternal in unto the edge of the infernal. Kind and cruel to the wise and the fool. Love is a many splendid thing, inspiring many a poet to write and sing. Cruel and kind to the knave and the king. Fear is the cruelest master, enslaving all unto disaster. Cruel and kind to the sea and the blind, but hope springs eternal in unto the edge of the infernal.
That is the new Solo. It's just about ready to go. I'm gonna wire up the 48 volt, and then we're gonna see what happens. So anyway, Solo.